Sound. The invisible, interwoven fabric that creates our world. It surrounds us, binds us, allows us to share inspiring moments and build meaningful relationships. It is the single unifying factor we all resonate with. As the most elemental aspect of our lives, sound is all too often taken for granted until it's broken. Without it, we lose ourselves. We lose each other. Without sound to amplify life, moments simply slip away and leave us isolated and alone. Listen Technologies understands the power and fragility of sound. Our passion is helping people overcome the challenges of noise, distance, and hearing loss. Every Listen solution is focused on the individual who needs that special touch of sound support. Personal and assistive listening devices in classrooms, venues, the workplace, on audio tours. Wherever sound matters most, that's where we are. Connect with Listen Technologies today. We bring you the sound now, so you can have the moment forever.